You're listening to our special edition for the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Let's get straight into it. All over the world, more than 296 million people used drugs in 2024. In Nigeria alone, 14.4% of people between the ages of 15 and 64, that's over 14 million people, have used psychoactive substances. Now, listen to this. In Lagos, a study by NDLEA and the Federal Ministry of Education revealed that 13.6% of students in secondary school have tried drugs, and 6.9% are still using them today. These are teenagers, children, our future. To fight this crisis, the Lagos State Ministry of Health took strong action today. They held a big awareness campaign at the Lagos Government Secretariat in Alausa, Ikeja. The event was titled, Breaking the Chains, Prevention, Treatment, and Recovery for All. It was organized by the Directorate of Pharmaceutical Services, the Lagos State Interministerial Drug Abuse Control Committee, and the NDLEA. There was a placard walk, free educational materials were shared, and there were speeches. Young people were part of it too. The chairperson of the committee, Farm, Olawale Poluyi, said something very important. She said, drug addiction is not a moral failure. It is a medical condition, and it must be treated as such. Let's repeat that. Drug addiction is not a moral failure. It is a medical condition. This means we must help people, not punish them. We must care, not condemn. She also talked about the real reasons people use drugs. Emotional pain, pressure from friends, boredom, curiosity. She said we must give young people better choices, like counseling, learning skills, sports and games, faith-based support, safe places to talk and grow, collaborative efforts to combat the crisis. This campaign had strong support from top leaders, including Dr. Ismail Abdul Salam, Director of Epidemiology, Mrs. Wurala Makinde, from LASA MBUS, Dr. Folashade Oludara, from Family Health and Nutrition, and the Ministry of Information. They all agreed on one thing: we must work together to stop this crisis. Pharmacists and health workers were also called to action. They were reminded to monitor drug use, educate the public, act early when someone shows signs, and dispose of leftover drugs safely. Farm, Poluyi said, pharmacists are not just dispensers. They are gatekeepers. That means they have power, and they must use it to protect lives. So now we ask you, what can you do? If you are a parent, talk to your children. If you are a teacher, guide your students. If you are a friend, speak up if you notice something wrong. If you are struggling with drugs, or someone you know is, please get help. There is hope. There is support. You are not alone. That wraps up today's special episode of Naija Gistline. We thank the Lagos State government for stepping up, and we call on everyone, young and old, to break the chains of drug abuse. Stay safe, stay aware, stay strong. This is Naija Gistline.